students, good afternoon to everyone. Hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Welcome you all for today's grammar online class. I hope you had watched videos about nouns and types of nouns last week. Today we are going to learn more about nouns, that is about one and many. This one and many nouns are also known as singular and plural. So let's begin. Here we'll see a meaning of a noun. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place or thing. Let's see what is singular noun. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. For example, a boy, a cat, a house, a bag. Moving to the next slide. Let us see what is plural noun. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. For example, boys, cats, houses, flowers. We add s, that is single s, to most of the nouns to form plural form, such as boys, cats, houses, flowers, where s is added to form into plural. We add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x and z to get their plural forms. So the nouns which ends with the above words, we add es to get its plural form. Example, ostrich, ostriches. Dish, dishes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Princess, princess. Fox, foxes. Quiz, quizzes. Sometimes some words ending in o take only s in its plural form. That is, there are some words which ends with o only. Here we add only single s to form its plural. Example, piano, pianos. The nouns that end in a consonant followed by y change into plural form by changing the y to I and then adding es. For example, city. Here the city ends with t, which is consonant, and at the end y. So when you write it in the plural form, y is changed to I and es is added. So city becomes cities. Country, countries. But hey, don't drop the y from monkey. The plural of monkey is not monkeys. That is monkies. It is monkeys. monkeys. Just add s at the end. Further, the nouns that end in a vowel followed by y change into plural form simply by adding of s. For example, key, K-E-Y, key. Here e is a vowel and it is ending with y. So when in the nouns y at the end, you have to change into plural form simply by adding s, that is K-E-Y-S. So I hope children you have learned about singular and plural. Thank you, children. Now, here is the assignment for you. Write the plural form of the following words: pen, shoe, potato, kite, baby, brush. You have to write the plural form of these following words. So, thank you once again, children, and see you soon in the next class where we'll learn more about these nouns. Thank you. Have a nice day.